Blue Pool Wash is a roadside canyon near Page, Arizona, just north of the Utah state line. The canyon rim is visited often by passing motorists, having spotted the slot while driving past. However, only a small proportion of visitors venture beneath the first drop into the narrow corridors. For those with a little technical canyon experience, this is a fun, quick and straightforward trip. The canyon is 13 miles from Page, 3.5 miles north of the state border. You can park on either side of the busy US 89. The canyon slot is quite obvious from the road. Got a group starting just in front of us, and there's another car parked with a group a couple of minutes behind us. So it's obviously very popular. The canyon starts just up from the bridge with a couple of straightforward downclimbs leading you down under the road. The group behind us didn't make it past this first obstacle. Just past the bridge. It's completely dry today. This is an alternate entry. The first main drop has a bolted anchor, but most canyoneers will happily downclimb. The party in front of us turned around here, not having a rope and not sure they'd be able to climb back up. For canyoneers with some experience, it's a comfortable climb. Seen bits of car all through the canyon so far. 30 yards on, there are 3 bolts. Bolt on the right,
on one side,
which is quite a spinner, and 2 bolts. It's not far down at all.
I wonder if those people can do this one.
This one might be a trickier up. Oh no, maybe it's actually an easier up climb.
Oh, that's concrete, or that's
And it looks like someone's put mokies in.
Where are they?
Yeah.
There's a fence post there and more concrete. Opens up a bit. The canyon is graded 3B, the B meaning you'll likely need to swim. However, on our visit during a particularly dry period, the canyon was bone dry. Drop coming up, there are bolts and chains at the left and a bit of a car as well. It's actually 2 drilled pitons at the left, bolt underneath. I guess they'll all be synchronised once you got weight on it. And into this chamber, some water sculpted walls. The final drop does require a rappel down into a nice chamber.
Yeah, we all swung. There we go. Hey, you just free falling. What's going on with you?
It was probably 12 metres, or a 27 metre rope in it. Had a good 1.5 metres at the end.
Got it? Yeah. Are you going to put your feet down? Are you going to put your feet down?
I'm just going to do it.
So we've got a little ledge. So we've got a little ledge. Okay.
Well, and below the final rappel, there are 4-wheel drive tyre marks, which suggests we should be able to walk out of here without too much difficulty. To exit, climb Slick Rock, then head for the noise of the road. A fairly good trail can be followed back to your car. Big flat valley that used to be underneath Lake Powell once upon a time. There's a pretty good trail along the foot of the Slick Rock. We're just going to go up one of these gullies back out to the road. Blue Pool Wash is a nice quick canyon worth visiting on your way to or from Page. It's also a great rest day objective during a restock day in Page.